uRamaphosa unxuse amalungu eqembu lakhe ukuthi angadunazwa umphumela wokhetho. Uthi lolu khetho belunzima kukhongolose seloke kwadlula u1994. Inkohlakalo, ukukhwabanisa kanye nokushushimbisa kwemali kanye nokungathunyelwa kwesidingonqangi emphakathini kuyiguqisile iANC kuleminyaka edlule.
We are not going to enter into coalitions at all costs. We are not. Now, a number of parties are going around boastfully saying, yeah, we will not work with the ANC. But who said we want to work with them?
uRamaphosa uthi uyezwa ukuthi kunamaqembu angafuni ukusebenzisana neANC. Manje ke neqembu lakhe elibusayo alifuni ukusebenzisana neDA.
We are not on our knees. We are not on our knees. And if, comrades, you know, if we have to be in opposition, then we will be in opposition.
Uthi ANC ayincengile ukungena emandleni.
We will not go cap in hand to anybody. But at the same time, comrades, we will have an open mind. We will have an open mind where we will be able to have discussions on a very respectful basis, where we will see the extent to which we will be able to structure coalition agreements.
Kuzoba nzima ke kulabo abaxoxisana neANC emikhandlwini.
We want coalitions that are stable. Coalitions that have been formed in the past have been very unstable. But we want stable coalitions, but we also want credible coalitions, and we want to have a situation where we have agreed on a program of work. It must be a program of work that delivers to the people of our communities.
uRamaphosa uthi libe kakhulu iqhaza leEskom emkhankasweni wokhetho. Isimo sasevele sasibe kakhulu njengoba sekungene esigabeni sesine sokucishwa kukagesi. Ngingusamkele Maseko, izindaba zeSABC, ngibika ngiseSoweto.